And there's another site now that she has just started doing. That site is called TikTok.
Jesus!
They call it TikTok. So every time she's on that TikTok, she's always begging people, please follow me, follow me, follow me. So I'm wondering, why would a wife that I married be begging men to say, please follow me, follow me, follow me? My own wife that I paid dowry for be on social media, and the name of the platform is TikTok.
Jesus
Telling people,
Lord.
follow me, follow me. So if you're on a platform called TikTok and you're telling men to follow you, am I supposed to be happy that I married the right woman? On a platform called TikTok, follow me, follow me, follow me. She's begging people to, which woman that is responsible enough and is asking people to follow her? Now, when the thing started, trouble started, she now telling me that it's not TikTok, that it is TikTok.
Jesus!
But something is telling me that she just corrected herself. She said it's not TikTok, it's not TikTok, that is TikTok. I don't believe her. It's probably TikTok, because the way she's begging them to come, piano. Why would she now be begging other people to follow? I'm the one begging to enter every night. She said no. Now she's begging the whole world to now follow. Ọlọ mma. Something every night I beg her for. Let me enter. She said no, but she's begging others to come follow. What is the matter? All my people, I greet everybody. Once again, Chief Ọlọ ọkụ-ọlọ mma of Owerri, the only importer exporter agent ship container through the Otamiri River in Owerri. Please, I'm just here out of concern to complain. You see, I am a very wealthy man. God has blessed me immensely. Anybody in 10 lock-up shops, Nimo Owerri, where 10 shops na area market aba, where 10 shops na Onitsha main market, onye Hobalibe, and then we are also in Alaba. Anyway, not to say too much, I am married to this young girl. You understand? One name is very young. She's only about 20. When I was marrying her, there's people to warn me to be careful of marrying a girl that young. But I can't help it. She was very beautiful. So, but my problem now is, please, people, help me. Every time my wife is on the phone, typing, doing something, I ask her, what is it? She says, social media. What is the problem? This social media problem. So I am just wondering if anybody has any advice for me. Let me see what I can do. If this doesn't work, I'm taking this to her father.
Oh my God.
This case is going to the village. Why would a married woman be begging men to come follow me on a platform called TikTok? Ejemeyeme. Oloda. Kana shambu abala mokira na okiwa akadem sharp. Amo yarabanko. Chief Ọlọ ọkụ-ọlọ mma biko help on.
Media Pinnacle Entertainment.